This is Orange and
Mother Gems.
okay, for those who are new in our channel, hello to all of you. Welcome in our channel, and please do subscribe and like our video. So welcome to all of you, and this video is about our LED lights.
Nice.
Yes, girl power. We put it up, we installed it kami lang doon sa pinakataas using the stairs, guys.
Okay, guys. So we're going to put our alcohol first before we even say anything. So this is our last package, which is the LED light. Let's see the price. Where's the price? Wait, Mama, stop. I need to see the price. 619 pesos. Oh, nice. Oh, this. Oh wait, we still need to wipe it.
Papalito sa katong blue na gunting ito ha.
Oh, I'm so excited because we're going to put it in our room and I'm going to try it and we're going to put it on party mode. Yeah. Okay, let's open it.
What time is it? Very early si ano, Kuya, for the year. Thank you, Kuya.
Ooh, really early. Wow.
It's 8:30 in the morning. Let's open.
Okay.
We need to sterilize it again or to...
Oh. Wow. Look at this. What? Wait. There's a message right here. There's a message. Ow. It almost cut my nail. LED mood lights. It is like Kuya Sef's. If you don't know who Kuya Sef is, he is a song artist. And he is the son of Ninong Steve Boyser. Not Tito. Sorry. And he is also the son of Ninang Love You. And here it is, guys. Wow. Look at all these colors. Oh wait. Here's the one that's related to my name, Orange. So many colors. These are the color of the rainbow, guys. It also comes with a remote so that you can like, you know, you can control it. I know how to. Don't worry, Mama. I know how to use it because I've used it many times. But I think that's where you can turn it on. I have definitely no idea. What? That one will be in our room. If it's not long enough, we will just have to put some more. But if it's long enough, then we just have to cut the end. See what Mama is doing. Oops. Seems like she's doing the wires. That's really hard. And also the reason why the camera is so like jiggly is because I'm holding it and my hands are jiggly. Okay guys, so we finally figured it out. Here it is. I set it on white because I like it to be heaven. Yeah. And if you want party mode, you can just press jump, then quick. Jump, then quick. It's actually a nice color. Okay, let's turn it on. Nice. So let's try more buttons. Oh, okay guys. So this one is for stop. Okay. This button is for stop. This one is for lighter. This one is for darker. Let's put it on pink. No, wait, I meant purple. Yes! Is there an orange? Oh, that looks so cool. I'm in the room. We should put it in my room after school, okay? Okay, see ya guys! Because I really need to go to school now. Party, party, party in Mama's office. Party in Mama's office. Party, party, party in Mama's office. Party in Mama's office. Party, party, party in Mama's office. Party, party, party in Mama's office. Okay guys, so we are finally done putting up the lights. Yeah, we can't.
Orange and I installed it on the very top using the ladder. I'm so scared, and the result is really nice, guys. Look at this. Really nice. It's inside my working room. Thank you, Orange, for the help. Knock knock. Oops.
Heaven.
It's heaven. Thank you for the help. Knock knock.
Hi. You're welcome, Mama.
Guys, this is only just 10 meters and this is waterproof. We will put the link. Buta na mo ang link, guys. Sa Lazada na siya order, and it has a lot of colors. Ang pinaka-favorite ko, pink, lavender, and heaven. But orange, tanan, favorite niya. So this is the remote, guys. Look at it. Medyo dako gid siya. Nice siya. Very nice. It will
The
add
colors are changing.
beauty in our room. Kaya ako, very visual ako. So that's why I really tried to install it. Hadlo kog heights, taas, kurog-kurog ang tiil. Pero gamitan ako siya may tiban. Daghan kaig may tiban akong kamot. But anyway, the result is really worth it. Sa singot o sa kurog-kurog sa tiil. 10 meters. So mga kulang na lang ni og 5 meters makumpleto na ang entire working room namin. That's all, guys. We're just sharing. That's really nice. So do you still have to say something?
Oh wait. I will show you guys my most favorite onto the most colors. This one is my most favorite color, heaven. Especially color white. For the blue is my second favorite. For the green, I'll just put it in the third place. Red, observe, like literally on the 0th one. Because I hate it. Hey, what about this one? Not that.
Yeah, that's Mama's favorite also. Pink,
That's not pink, it's
lavender. Okay, what's your least favorite? Yellow? Yellow-green? Parang yellow-green, but Tita Menda's favorite is yellow. She place it to yellow. Yellow daw. So yan ang yellow? Parang green man yan. Okay, orange daw.
Here's green.
Okay, orange.
My favorite one.
Yeah,
So
nice
warm.
na. So warm. Alright.
Orange is basically a warm color because you
Yeah.
can use them for sunsets.
And then, may mga setup na guys, blinking, slow blinking, like that. And you can program the blinking or whatever. So, as you can see in our room, guys, tanawa mong room, very disorganized pa. So, mag-arrange kami, guys, ha. And then, we will show it to you. Yeah, we're done.
Nice. Haha.
Stay close. Guys, salamat kaayo. So I hope you will watch our upcoming videos. Incoming videos. I hope you will click the subscribe and like and then notification bell para ma-update mo sa among mga bagong video, guys. This is Mother Gems and Orange and we are from Davao City. Ang pingkatanan. Bye!